The Foundry Giants were an all-black men's baseball team that played for the Studebaker Industrial Baseball League in the 1920s. We don't know, obviously, their whole story, but we know enough to know that this is an important group of men laboring in the foundry and building our community that is distinctly South Bend. The Foundry Giants were playing at a time when our governor in Indiana was a card-carrying KKK member, and segregation is only getting worse in our country. Our ultimate goal is to highlight these underrepresented histories that exist in our community that maybe for whatever reason haven't been noted or commemorated as much as they should have been. But it's also to activate those histories in the community at large. Part of what we began thinking about was, how do we make this more than a baseball field? How do we make it a living museum, something that gives voice to those community members that have played, have also been contributors to the growth of South Bend. We hope it really is a place where adults, youth, and young kids are experiencing and playing baseball, but more importantly, experiencing the history around our community's formation and leadership by people of color, and showing the resilience of our community as a whole.